Hello, dear English learners. Welcome back to day 6 of your English Shadowing Practice Challenge. And today we're continuing something truly special. Your journey to speak with confidence and improve your English with me, step by step. So, how was yesterday? Did you complete your first day of shadowing? If you did, amazing. I'm so proud of you. If not, don't worry. You're here now for day 2, and that's what matters most. Now, let's be honest for a moment. One day of practice is wonderful, but it's coming back that changes everything. Coming back means you're serious. Coming back means you believe in yourself. And that's exactly what successful English learners do. Today we're going to build on yesterday's foundation. We're going to practice sentences about daily routines and simple actions. These are the words you need every single day. The English that makes life easier, more natural, more confident. Remember what shadowing does? It trains your mouth, your ears, your brain all at the same time. When you shadow, you don't just listen to English, you become English, you feel the rhythm, you copy the music, you make it yours. And that's beautiful, isn't it? Today you will practice 30 sentences about everyday life, simple actions, morning routines, things you do every day. But in English, clear English, confident English. You will hear me say them slowly, clearly, in a British accent. There will be a pause, and that's your time to repeat after me. Just follow the subtitles on the screen. Watch for the highlighted words. They'll guide you. And speak out loud. Yes, even if it still feels strange, this practice is perfect for building your everyday English vocabulary. Don't try to do too much. Don't overwhelm your mind. Stay consistent. Stay committed. That's how fluency happens. So, are you ready? Let's warm up those English muscles again and speak together. Let's continue your shadowing challenge. Welcome again to this shadowing English speaking practice. My name is Tara, and I absolutely love helping you improve your English. You might be wondering why we focus on daily routines today. Great question. Let's talk about it. Daily routine vocabulary is the foundation of natural English speaking. These are the words you use every morning, every evening, every single day. When you master these phrases, English stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling like home. When you shadow these everyday sentences, you're not just learning words. You're learning how to live in English, how to think in English, how to be comfortable in English. So don't worry about perfection. Focus on the flow. Focus on the feeling. Focus on becoming familiar with these sounds, these patterns, these rhythms. All right. Awesome. But before we begin, I need one little thing from you. Promise me that you will not give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not on day 2 of this shadowing challenge. Can you promise that? Yes. Beautiful. I knew you would. This is day 2 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. You're building momentum now. You can feel it, can't you? Of course you can. Here are the instructions. Super simple. I will say a sentence. You listen. Then you repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice again. Follow the subtitles on the screen. Look at the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm. Hear the sound. Speak with me. That's it. And don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Let's begin. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. Excellent. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I drink coffee with my breakfast. I drink coffee with my breakfast. I drink coffee with my breakfast. Great. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. You're doing great. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. Wonderful. Let's continue. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I arrive at my office on time. I arrive at my office on time. I arrive at my office on time. I greet my colleagues with a smile. I greet my colleagues with a smile. I greet my colleagues with a smile. Brilliant. Don't give up. Let's continue. I start my workday feeling positive. I start my workday feeling positive. I start my workday feeling positive. Awesome. We've just completed 10 sentences. Now let's take things up a tiny notch, just a little. Let's try some sentences about afternoon activities. Okay. I eat lunch with my friends at noon. I eat lunch with my friends at noon. I eat lunch with my friends at noon. I enjoy walking in the fresh air. I enjoy walking in the fresh air. I enjoy walking in the fresh air. Brilliant. I finish my work before 6 o'clock. I finish my work before 6 o'clock. I finish my work before 6 o'clock. I do my shopping on the way home. I do my shopping on the way home. I do my shopping on the way home. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I watch television to relax. I watch television to relax. I watch television to relax. I call my friends to chat. I call my friends to chat. I call my friends to chat. Wonderful. Let's continue. Don't give up. I read books before going to sleep. I read books before going to sleep. I read books before going to sleep. I listen to music while cleaning. I listen to music while cleaning. I listen to music while cleaning. I help my children with homework. I help my children with homework. I help my children with homework. Wow, you have completed 20 sentences with me. That's incredible. Really give yourself a big smile. You deserve it. You're showing up, putting in the work, and that's how progress happens. You are doing awesome. So, ready for more? Let's complete 10 more sentences for your shadowing English speaking practice. I am so excited for you. Truly, day 2 of your challenge is already looking powerful and full of good energy. Let's keep that momentum going. Take a sip of water if you need to. Stretch a little. And when you're ready, let's dive into the next 10 sentences. Let's begin. I spend time with my family every evening. I spend time with my family every evening. I spend time with my family every evening. I clean my house before the weekend. I clean my house before the weekend. I clean my house before the weekend. I plan my schedule for tomorrow. I plan my schedule for tomorrow. I plan my schedule for tomorrow. Wonderful. Let's keep going. I turn off all the lights before bed. I turn off all the lights before bed. I turn off all the lights before bed. I set my alarm clock every night. I set my alarm clock every night. I set my alarm clock every night. I think about good things before sleeping. I think about good things before sleeping. I think about good things before sleeping. I feel grateful for my progress today. I feel grateful for my progress today. I feel grateful for my progress today. Awesome. I practice English a little every day. I practice English a little every day. I practice English a little every day. Wow. Let's do 2 more together. I believe tomorrow will be even better. I believe tomorrow will be even better. I believe tomorrow will be even better. I sleep well knowing I tried my best. I sleep well knowing I tried my best. I sleep well knowing I tried my best. Good job. We've just completed 30 sentences together in your shadowing English speaking practice. Did you enjoy day 2 of this challenge? I hope you did because you really showed up for yourself again today. Now remember, it's not about being perfect. Not at all. It's about showing up, trying and speaking with me, even if it's just for a few minutes. You've completed day 2 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. That's something to feel really proud of. Well done, truly. And hey, if you ever feel stuck or unsure, come back to this video and practice again. It's here for you. Every time you repeat, you get just a little stronger, a little more confident, a little more natural. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and know that I'm really, really proud of you. You can do this. See you tomorrow for day 7.